Prime Day, so of course I bought a few things. One of the things I bought was this HD digital video camera from KicTeck. It's actually an Amazon's choice. So here's an unboxing. So it comes a little pouch, very small. They say it's best for amateurs, which I am. So for $49.99 for Prime Day, usually it goes for about $63.99. So a little bit of a discount, not too much. But I was looking to get one of these anyway, so. Here's the camera. So it is very small and light, very portable. So here's some cables. So have a USB cable, and then it comes with the 2 batteries. So it does not come with the SanDisk, so you will need to buy extra storage for this thing. And there's the charger. So I'll go ahead and test this thing out and see what type of picture it does. Alright, so you can slide the battery back on there. Comes on. You would have to charge it when the battery is attached. This doesn't have any capability to do that unless it's attached to the camera. So you attach this to the camera, and then this would need to be plugged into the USB port to put it. The SanDisk would go into this slot on the bottom of the camera. Just slide it in right there. So the screen is small, but it's adjustable. You can actually flip it all the way around. So that will come in handy. And you have the menu, display, it does have a light, power, and then there's the charging icons, mode, and then photo, and then there's your zoom in, zoom out as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take some videos and pictures with the camera now. There's my dog. Say hi, Roma. So this is on the camera. So, recording. So let's try film now with the cell phone, so I can compare the picture. So now we are on the cell phone. Definitely much better picture from the cell phone. Just as that quick comparison. So, Roma's not in the mood to be filmed right now. Alright, so we're back on the video camera. Zoom in a little bit. Zoom out. Right. The lights on. Lights off. Can't really tell since it's a little bit brighter. Still daylight out. Alright, so in conclusion, the camera, it's not that great. It's 1080p. My cell phone was actually set to 720p, but yet the picture and the sound is a lot better. This is obviously a budget video camera, so you can't be that blown away from it. But depending on your situation, will determine, I guess, if you want an extra camera alternative to your cell phone. So overall, it's kind of up to you if you'd like to purchase one or purchase this one specifically. I'll drop the link in the description and let me know if you have any questions.